How to sing in chest voice. Welcome to my channel. It's Carrie Griffiths here, and if it's not your first time here, welcome back. Now, before we dive into singing in chest voice, I'd like to thank everyone who subscribed so far, and if you haven't already, then make sure that you hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, singing in chest voice, this is really, really important. Now, as singers, we love to sing those high notes, we love to project, we love to hit those long notes. However, it's really important to get the foundation. Now, chest voice, chest register, they're interchangeable. It's one of the 4 vocal registers. So we have fry at the bottom, chest, which is around about where most of us speak. Not all of us speak in our chest voice, some speak in our head voice. Like this. So to establish your chest voice, you can come down into it. So and you'll feel the vibrations around here. You may feel them a little bit lower, but you want to feel them around your chest. So as long as it's not in your throat, as long as it's not here, you will feel a little vibration, but we don't want to be singing from there. Don't worry about that right now. Now, we also have head voice, head register, and that's made in the kind of singy, the kind of choiry part of our voice. And then at the top, we have whistle and falsetto. Okay, so we're not going into those today. Now, for those of you who do speak in your head voice, so your voice may be a little lighter, a little higher, and just sound a bit more innocent. It might be a bit more difficult for you to establish and to maintain that chest voice. So I'm going to make sure that I incorporate some exercises for you guys, as well as for everyone else who are used to using our chest voice. Now, another way to kind of understand what chest voice and chest register is that lower part where it feels more comfortable for most of us to sing. So it might be that verses are sung in your chest voice, and then you go up into the different ranges for other parts of the song. And that isn't always the case. So let's establish chest voice by let's come back to here. For those of you whose voices are a little lower, you will already be feeling it vibrate. And again, for those of you who sing in the upper part of your voice, in your chest, in your head voice, we're going to sing down. So, so I really feel it here. I don't know what note it is. That's an E. Now, it might be different for you. It might be slightly higher. Or it might be slightly lower. It's too low for me. So find where it feels comfortable for you, where you can feel it vibrating against your hand. Again, for those of you whose voices are a little higher, let's start high and bring it down. And again, it might take some time, and you might land in a different note to me to feel where your chest voice is vibrating. So pause the video for a few moments and get used to feeling that vibration in your chest voice. Then when you've done that, click play and we'll start again. So now that you've found where your chest voice resonates, where it vibrates, your chest register is, let's do an exercise to keep it there. So let's start around here. So for those of you whose voices are higher, you might need to bring the octave down or just sing it where you feel comfortable, and then restart again when we get to the higher end of the exercise. So if this is too low for you, if this is too low for you, you're going to sing and you may or may not quite be in chest voice. You may or may not, you may just feel a little vibration and it may waver, but don't worry, because with time it will start to become more established, and you'll feel the vibration more, because with practice your body will get used to singing around that area. So let's start here. So we're going to start, for those of us with lower voices, so that's mezzo soprano. I'm a mezzo. So mezzo soprano and lower. So mezzo, alto, contralto, tenor, baritone and bass. We'll start here. For the basses, you will need to go an octave lower so that you feel it, so that you're not in your head voice or falsetto. And here we go, 5, 6, 7, and ah, 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 ah. So make sure you're sliding. Ah, ah. So mezzos and sopranos, you should really feel it now, okay? So, and everyone else, you might be getting to where it's changing to head voice, or it might be in your mid-range. Ah, so change the octave according to where your voice is, but mezzos and sopranos, you should be able to carry on in the same octave as me. Ah, ah. I'm going to switch to head voice into chest voice. Ah, 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 So for those of us with mezzo and soprano voices, this is around about the top of your chest register, your chest range. So let's go back down. And again, sing in the octave that's right for you to be able to feel the vibration. Ah, ah, ah. And if you're not quite feeling the vibration, again, with practice, it will come. So your body will get used to singing down here if you're used to singing in those higher pitches. That's really low for me. Keep going if you can. Okay, so now you know how to establish the chest register. I'm going to give you a couple of tips that's going to help you to stay there. So when you're in your chest register, so find a note that you feel comfortable with. Ah. So for me, it's there. It might be different for you. So we're going to go with all the different, we're going to start in different places. So for the low voice, and I'll try and put the notes in the description as well so that you can find it for yourself and not have to listen to everyone else's. So you're going to go ah, and then just hold the note for a count of 8. Ah. So don't worry about it sounding nice. Don't try and make it sound pretty. Don't add vibrato to it. Just hold the note. Ah. and I'm going to pulse the note while you sing a continuous note. So let's do it. 5, 6, 7, and ah, 6, and 6, 7, 8. Don't flip into head voice. Keep it there. Now I did go quite high for chest voice, even for sopranos, that would be quite high in chest voice. But what it's going to do, it's going to help you to stay in that area so that you don't always automatically flip into your head voice. And that's going to help your mix, which is going to come up in another video. So now that you know how to establish and how to maintain chest voice, we can now put it into a song. So a really good song for this, something that's loved by almost everyone, is Mr. Brightside by The Killers. And what's great about Mr. Brightside is that all through the verse and the chorus, it tends to stay around the same note. So it's almost on the same note for the whole time, but it does vary slightly. So I think it's so it's there. Coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine. So it's really good for mezzos, sopranos and altos. If you're a baritone or a bass, you might want to bring it down lower. Coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine. All right, but in your octave. Coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine. Gotta be down. So let's find the note. Ah. And here we go. 5, 6, 7, and coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine. Gotta be down because I want it all. Started out with a kiss, how did it end up like this? It was only a kiss, it was only a kiss. Now we're falling asleep and she's calling a cab while he's having a smoke and she's taking a drag. I'm gonna have to end there because YouTube are gonna put a copyright thing. They're gonna claim copyright if I carry on. But you can do that. So what you can do, find the note, go to find the song, then sing down to the note, listen to the song a couple of times so that you can establish what the note is. So it's a C sharp. Yeah, for those of you who have keyboards or another instrument that you can find the note on. If you don't have an instrument that you can find the note on, find it in the song, sing down to it. Ah, feel for the vibration. Ah, coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine. Okay. Now, if that's too high for you, for any of your voices, what you can do is search for the song in a lower key. So you'd look up the karaoke version in a lower key. All right, it's going to give you the words as well. If you don't know the words and you want to sing along with Brandon Flowers, then find a video that has the lyrics on it. And you might need to search around and find one that where the lyrics come up in time for you to read them. In fact, I might do that for you and put it in the description. Okay, so enjoy. I hope that this has helped you. Remember to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and send this to someone that you think will find it beneficial, that it will help. I'll see you very soon. Stay hydrated. Ciao.